Guangzhou wholesale market, best known as fake market. This is a large area, really large one, full of shoppings with everything you can imagine. Name it, they will have it for very cheap price. Let me show you. Come with me.
Not bad, beautiful bag.
long hang. This can this.
Look, it's beautiful. For baby. I like this style. Beautiful. 那个叫多少钱？
是一样价的。
180。
对。
我不要币的。
啊？
有币我不要币。
不要币的。
都是币的。
这种是币，这种是币，这种是币。
Find one with ears. I know you're gonna like. Oh, French girls today.
Gucci Peppa Pig, anyone?
Cell phone covers. I see you like Gucci today, huh? Look, this one. I don't know what it say in Chinese. If somebody knows what it's right down there, please. It's Hanzi. It's just the way they've wrote it. Hanzi for, I'm sorry, is the Chinese character. Okay, guys. And there you go, Peppa Pig in the house. So as you can see, here outside, of course, not the newest of the buildings, but there are markets everywhere, across that street over there. Then here's a building, here's another mall, the other side another shopping mall.
You don't even know which side to go.
Yeah, you don't even know where to go. There's so many of them. So you found a new belt? Okay, we decided to go inside this one right now. New way of delivery. It's cheaper. Coffee time.
Oh my gosh, there's so many stuff. My constantly mind is going crazy.
We are not really buying anything. We just want to show people, give them the information if they need to buy for their business, or if they want to find cheaper clothes and this kind of thing, just come.
Yes.
Right?
But if you want to avoid temptation, skip it, friend.
We try our best to don't buy what we don't need, but
Yeah.
if you need something, for sure it's better if you pay less, right?
This is a great place if you have business, if you want to buy wholesale, this is just incredible. And if you really need something and you want to shop, of course. Or if shopping is really your cup of tea,
And let's state, if you do wholesale, you've been thinking about coming to Guangzhou to do some shopping for your business, don't be afraid, just come. This place is really peaceful, you won't have problem. I will give you the most important tip you can hear. Are you ready? I'm not kidding, okay? It looks simple, but there is a thing in China that if you're coming here to do your shopping, your wholesale shopping, and you don't have experience with Chinese market, you have to bargain. You have to negotiate. It's not something that's not kind to negotiate. I mean, if you're shy and you're afraid,
don't worry to be rude. It's something normal.
yeah, you won't be rude with that, exactly. Like that's you just say. But if you're thinking, let's go straight. Let's say you want to buy something for 120. You think 120 is the good price for that thing. You're gonna have some cash back in your country when you sell it. So don't try 120 straight. You go for 90 first, okay? And then you build up your bargain, your negotiation, and you might end up with 120, 125 as you think that thing holds. Okay? That's a great tip in China. Trust me.
And if you get tired of too much walking, you can stop, scan the code, and just enjoy.
So this section here, please, Destiny girl, you're the host today.
Kids session.
This is the children's section. Can buy all kind of clothes and toys for children. So cute, look.
How cute are these bibs? They are very fashionable. Have a look.
Hey guys, this whole shopping mall is dedicated to watches. Let's have a look. A lot of different brands. Do you want any watch? Not today, right?
Dior 喜欢67，
这个叫多少钱？
这个
哦，有一个很小啊。
一起都一起。
啊，都一起。
你好，朋友。
So the first price is 240.
40 is very obvious.
Well, you have to bargain, right?
Yeah, you have
Anyway,
to
this is the
bargain.
first price.
啊，
They
为什么
have all kind of copies, and they have different grades of copy quality, right? Grade A, grade B. So you bargain about and try to get the best one. So we are about to go out of this shopping mall, and as you see, the other ones are dedicated for watch as well. Just in front, so it's like a watch neighbor. They even got their own watchtower. Soma. Let me see how do. 怎么剁掉这个？就
这个可以拿出来的，
怎么拿出来？
这个拆出来拿出来就行，两用的。
我看。They look like a professor. Now we are walking inside a menswear mall, and a lot of the stores are dedicated to sunglasses. A lot of beautiful sunglasses here, isn't it?
So guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is anything you can imagine here. If you want to know how to arrive in this place, make sure to check the link below to our blog.